In the silence of our minds, where the world's noise cannot reach, lies the path to a fulfilling life. This path, ancient yet timeless, whispers secrets that have guided the greatest minds through the darkest storms. These are the secrets of Stoicism, a philosophy that does not merely teach us to endure, but to transform adversity into strength, chaos into clarity, and fleeting moments into lasting fulfillment. We begin with the understanding that life, in all its complexity, is not something we control but something we navigate with wisdom and courage. As Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king, reminds us, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Our thoughts, the architects of our reality, can either imprison us in fear and doubt or liberate us into a life of purpose and serenity. To embrace the Stoic way is to cultivate self-control, a mastery over our impulses and emotions. This does not mean suppressing our feelings, but understanding them, recognizing their transient nature, and not allowing them to dictate our actions. Epictetus, once a slave and later a revered teacher, advised, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Our reactions, measured and deliberate, become the foundation of our strength." Imagine a life where external circumstances, no matter how turbulent, do not disturb your inner peace. This is not a distant dream, but a reality forged through practice. Seneca, the Stoic statesman, wrote, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." By anticipating challenges and rehearsing our responses, we become resilient, ready to face life's unpredictability with calm assurance. Each morning, as we rise, we have the opportunity to set the tone for our day. Reflect on the teachings of Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, who taught that a good life is lived in accordance with nature. Begin your day with a moment of silence, a meditation on your principles and goals. This practice aligns your actions with your values, ensuring that each step you take is purposeful and deliberate. In our quest for a fulfilling life, gratitude plays a pivotal role. It shifts our focus from what we lack to what we possess, fostering a sense of abundance and contentment. As Epictetus eloquently put it, he is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. By embracing gratitude, we transform our perspective, finding joy in the simplest of things. Moreover, the Stoic path teaches us to embrace the present moment fully. The past is but a memory, and the future is uncertain. Only the present is within our grasp. Marcus Aurelius advised, "Confine yourself to the present." By anchoring ourselves in the now, we release the burdens of regret and anxiety, allowing us to experience life more deeply and meaningfully. Stoicism also emphasizes the importance of community and connection. We are not solitary beings. Our lives are intertwined with those around us. Seneca wrote, "No man is an island." By fostering relationships built on mutual respect and understanding, we create a support system that nurtures our growth and resilience. At the heart of Stoicism is the acceptance of fate, the understanding that some things are beyond our control. This acceptance is not passive resignation, but an active engagement with life. We focus our energy on what we can influence and let go of what we cannot. This principle, known as the dichotomy of control, is a cornerstone of Stoic wisdom. As Epictetus advised, make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. To live a fulfilling life, we must also cultivate inner strength. This strength is not physical, but mental and emotional resilience. It is the ability to remain steadfast in our principles, even when faced with adversity. Musonius Rufus, a Stoic teacher, taught, "To bear trials with a calm mind robs misfortune of its strength and burden." By developing inner strength, we become unshakable, capable of withstanding life's storms with grace. In the end, a fulfilling life is not measured by wealth, status, or external success, but by the depth of our character and the quality of our actions. It is the courage to live authentically, guided by our principles, and the wisdom to find peace within ourselves. As we walk the Stoic path together, let us remember the words of Marcus Aurelius. "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." Let us rise each day with a renewed commitment to live with intention and virtue. Let us face life's challenges with a calm and resolute heart, finding strength in our ability to choose our responses. And let us cultivate a deep sense of gratitude and connection, knowing that a fulfilling life is within our reach, forged through the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. As we journey together, let us embrace these Stoic secrets, transforming our lives from within and creating a legacy of resilience, wisdom, and profound fulfillment. Picture this: the dawn of a new day where the world is still and possibilities abound. We have the power to shape our reality, not through controlling external events, but by mastering our internal responses. This mastery is the essence of Stoicism, a guiding light that has illuminated the paths of many great minds. In moments of adversity, we find our true strength. Marcus Aurelius, facing the immense pressures of ruling an empire, found solace in his thoughts. He wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This power, the ability to control our reactions, is a gift we all possess. It is the key to transforming our lives. Emotions, often wild and untamed, can be our greatest adversaries, yet they are also our greatest teachers. When we learn to observe them without judgment, we gain insight into our true selves. Epictetus taught that we should not seek to avoid pain, but to understand it. We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them. This choice, this ability to respond with wisdom, is the cornerstone of a fulfilling life. The practice of negative visualization, a Stoic technique, can fortify our minds against life's uncertainties. By contemplating the loss of what we hold dear, we prepare ourselves for any eventuality. This is not pessimism, but a profound appreciation for the present. Seneca's wisdom guides us. He robs present ills of their power, who has perceived their coming beforehand. As the day unfolds, let us not be swayed by fleeting emotions or external chaos. Let us instead cultivate a state of inner tranquility. This tranquility is not passive but active, a choice to remain calm amidst the storm. It is the embodiment of Marcus Aurelius's teaching. Be like the rocky headland on which the waves constantly break. It stands firm, and around it, the seething waters are laid to rest. In our pursuit of a fulfilling life, let us not forget the importance of connection. We are not alone in our journey. The wisdom of Stoicism encourages us to build relationships grounded in respect and empathy. Seneca's reminder, "Associate with people who are likely to improve you," urges us to seek out those who inspire and uplift us. Finally, let us embrace the flow of life, accepting its impermanence. The Stoic acceptance of fate teaches us to focus on what we can control and release our grip on what we cannot. This acceptance is a profound freedom, a liberation from the futile desire to control the uncontrollable. Epictetus's words echo through time. Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. As we navigate the complexities of life, may we do so with the wisdom and fortitude of the Stoics. Let us rise each day not as mere participants in life, but as masters of our destiny, guided by the timeless principles that have stood the test of time. Together, we can transform our lives, finding fulfillment not in the fleeting pleasures of the world, but in the deep abiding strength of a well-lived life. This is the promise of Stoicism, a promise that we too can fulfill. Thank you for watching our video on Stoic secrets to a fulfilling life. If you found these insights enlightening and inspiring, take a moment to become part of our growing community. Like this video if it resonated with you and fueled your journey toward a life of purpose and resilience. Subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into Stoic wisdom and practical tips for living a life of virtue and fulfillment. Comment below to share your thoughts, experiences, and which Stoic principle you plan to implement in your daily routine. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on new videos filled with ancient wisdom and modern application. Share this video with friends and family who could benefit from the timeless teachings of Stoicism. Join us on this journey of self-mastery and inner peace. Together, let's transform our lives and build a community dedicated to living with intention, strength, and profound fulfillment. Thank you for being part of our mission. See you in the next video.